Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the claim in YouTube Studio so you know exactly what's claimed and why. You open content, then copyright claims, and read the claimant's details and timestamps. This tells you whether audio, video, or both are affected. Once done, decide your goal. Do you need the claim removed? Do you choose to dispute it? Or will you swap the track with YouTube's library or use a license? Make this decision now because it shapes every next step. Now gather proof, licenses, receipts, or written permissions that match the claimed content and timestamps, and keep file names and dates clear. If you're claiming fair use, prepare a focused written rationale explaining transformation, purpose, and amount used. Be factual and avoid emotional language. Next, choose an action in YouTube Studio. Submit evidence to retract the claim, file a dispute with your explanation, or apply audio replacement, and reprocess the video to eliminate the flagged segment while documenting every step. Submit your evidence or dispute through YouTube Studio, attaching clear proof and a short factual statement explaining ownership or fair use. Once submitted, monitor the Studio dashboard and your email because claimants have set response periods and may release the claim or counter it. Expect up to 30 days in some cases. If the dispute is denied, don't panic. You can either remove the content, negotiate with the claimant directly, or consider a DMCA counter notice only when you're certain your claim is lawful. Otherwise, consult legal help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.